In front of me is tablet Dell Rugged 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, open Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Devices on the left. Following that, choose Printers and Scanners and tap on Add Device next to Add a Printer or Scanner. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to, you can also click on Add manually next to the printer that I want isn't listed, and input all of those informations. When you finished, click on Done at the bottom right corner after selecting Next and picking your printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!